back to Kids Can Doodle channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you the Dr. Drill and Phil's playset. So let's get started. Let's take everything out of the box. Alright, so the box comes with a white play-doh. And here is the red play-doh. And here's the green one. And here's the electric drills. And if we press this button, the drill will spin. It just needs 2 batteries inside. Okay. And here we have a pair of tweezers to pull out the tooth. And we have a mouth mirror to examine the teeth. And we have a toothbrush. And here's the mold to make Mr. Jack's teeth. And this is Mr. Jack. Say hello to Mr. Jack.
Hi, Mr. Jack.
Don't worry, Mr. Jack. We'll get you a new set of teeth soon. First, let's make a tongue for Mr. Jack. Let's put the red play-doh. And press down. Here is Mr. Jack's tongue. Now let's make the teeth with the white play-doh that we put it inside the mold. Now let's take a small portion. Put it here. We press it. Now here is one perfect white tooth. So we put it as a back tooth. This is the other one. Let's attach it here. Now let's make another one. Same way. We take a small portion. And we press. We put one here, and we attach the other one here. And here is the last one for the bottom. Let's insert it. Now let's insert the front teeth for the top. Here is the second one. Here is the third one. Let's insert it here. Perfect. Let's put the other one right here. Wow, what a nice smile, Mr. Jack. Mr. Jack looks better already.
Well, hello there. I can finally talk. And by the way, I am so hungry. Can you make me some food, please?
Yes, sure. Let's see what we have here. Now let's make something with the red play-doh. We got a red tomato here. So let me slice it for you, Mr. Jack. Wow. Now let us test the new brand teeth. Here comes the tomato. And this is the second half.
I'm still hungry.
Okay, let's get you more. I will slice it for you, Mr. Jack. Let's get you more, Mr. Jack. And now, I will slice the broccoli for you, Mr. Jack. Here it comes. And here is the second half. Are you still feeling hungry, Mr. Jack?
Yes, I'm still hungry.
Okay, let's get you more food. Let's get you an eggplant. Here you go, Mr. Jack. Here is the other half. Now let us check your teeth with the mouth mirror, Mr. Jack. Let us check the front teeth. Oh, I see a lot of cavities there. Let us fix it up for you. So let us use the electrical trowel. We press this button to make it spin. Okay, so first of all, let us find the red tooth. Come on, Daniela, let's do it together. Okay, so where is the red tooth? Is it this one?
No.
Okay, is it this one?
No.
Is it that one?
Yes.
Good job! So let's replace it with a brand new white tooth. Now let me remove it with the tweezer. Here we go. Let us take out the other red tooth. There you go. Okay, Daniela. Now let us find the orange tooth. Is it this one?
No.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Good job. So let's remove it with the electrical trowel. I'll take it out with the tweezer as well. And replace it with the white tooth. Now let us find the green tooth. Yay! Okay, so Daniela, where is the green tooth? Is it this one?
No.
Okay. Is it this one?
No.
Is it that one?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Let's remove it.
Green teeth? No.
No.
It's blue.
Yeah. Oh, it popped out. And let us remove the other one with the tweezer as well. Good. Okay, Mr. Jack, almost done. Let's now find the purple tooth. Where is the purple tooth? Is it this one?
No.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Good. Let's remove it. Now, Daniel, let's remove the purple tooth. Good job. Okay, then remove it with the tweezer.
Okay.
Good. Okay, Daniela, remove the other purple tooth.
Okay.
Uh-oh. And here's the tweezer.
Yay! Twinkle.
Good job. Now with the toothbrush, let us brush your teeth, Mr. Jack.
Wash, wash, wash your teeth, anyone. Wash, 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 anyone. Wash, wash, wash your teeth, anyone. Wash, 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 wash my teeth.
Oh, wow. Mr. Jack has healthy teeth again. What a nice smile, Mr. Jack.
Oh, thank you so much for the delicious food. And thanks again for fixing up my teeth. I feel like I'm a new man.
You can come back anytime, Mr. Jack. You're always welcome.
Bye.
Thanks kids for watching and check out other videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more new videos. Bye bye.
Bye bye, bye bye, see you later.